My name is Bird Grills. Witness as I embark on the most challenging obstacles in the most horrific and most terrifying places on Earth. I have been trained by the best and given the most incredible set of skills which will help me survive any task possible. In this program, watch as I take on the most spine-chilling, hair-raising experience in anyone's entire life. High school.
Bird Vs.Wild is brought to you by Providence High School. You belong here.
I've come to Providence High School in Burbank, California to see if I could blend in with the natives. I have been accepted in the oldest group at the school who call themselves the seniors. I dress like them, share food with them, and participated with them in their traditions. As interesting as all my fellow students were, there was one student in particular who was the most extraordinary species of human being I had ever laid my eyes on. This student goes by the name Walter Green. I have been spending much time with Walter and observing him as well. I'm starting to believe that he's an endangered species of human, for he is unlike anything I have ever seen or read in the books. Walter has been growing big, green, and real watermelons in the school. He has been checking on them every day to make sure they're in good shape. And they look mighty beautiful. Not only has Walter claimed himself as the school's farmer, but he has shown a very passionate interest in nature. He also makes sounds of rhythm using only his vocals without any musical instruments at all, and he does this constantly. Brilliant. Although Walter and I have been spending much time together, I still feel like he is hiding something. Not only am I starting to believe that he's an endangered species of human, I know he's an endangered species of human. There was only one way to find out about Walter's origin, and that was to follow him to his habitat. On his way back to his homely habitat, I followed him. In a short amount of time, I had arrived to my destination, his habitat. It is dark, cool, and different from the outside. I see a light appearing out of the darkness of the house. As I approach that light, I see that it is a passageway to the outside.
No, it's probably the best shot in the movie.
Okay, what I'm doing right now is I'm emailing all my friends who's doing a good job, who's doing a bad job.
He's telling me what to do, so I'm just saying.
Wait, look, you're never getting cast again, so don't even worry about it.
Yeah, but could use better lighting.
You try and make me fat? Why don't you just hire Jonah Hill?
That's good. I like it.
It's beautiful.
It is good. That's good stuff. That'll save our jobs. That'll save our jobs there.
Alright, it appears this is the only clip we have left.
Yeah. Didn't charge it, and I think this camera actually doesn't really work at all.
You are fired. Can't charge the battery.
No. The intern charged the battery.
Okay, we're good. You're off the hook.
Well, that's hot.
Let's time I keep listening to him.
It was not long before I realized the irony, that Walter had been an actor the entire time, and pretending to be a high school student just like me.
Good script.
I restored it.
I don't need the script needs me.
Come on, I wrote that.
You don't even need to be working for me anymore. Why don't I just fire you?
Look for the bare necessities, the simple bare necessities. Forget about your worries and your strife. I mean the bare necessities, that's why a bear can rest at ease with